Hey, stop, what are you going to do?
I'm going to discard this oil. It's dirty. It does not good anymore.
Do not discard this oil. Don't make that mistake. Look, I'm going to show you a trick to recover this oil. It's going to be like new, and all the dirt is going to come off. This is the secret of restaurants, and I'm going to show you how to recover this oil when it's like this. Starting today, you're not going to waste oil. I'm going to reveal the secret of restaurants. We light the fire, and we leave it here heating. While the oil heats up, I'm going to get some cornstarch here. Everyone has cornstarch at home, right?
Why cornstarch?
Cornstarch. You are going to discover the secret of restaurants. Look at what you are going to do. We place here just 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. This is a very cheap advice. This will help you a lot in your daily life. Now we mix a little cornstarch, and then we put a little water on it. You will love this trick. Come here to see how it's done. First we stir it up a bit. This is what you should do to avoid wasting this oil, look. Now we put it here.
Are you going to put that there?
This is the secret of restaurants.
Really?
Look at the magic happening when we put the cornstarch here. The cornstarch is already boiling with the oil. Now take a good look at what's going to happen to the food scraps that were in this pan. You will see how this oil will be. The result of this is incredible. I don't know if you can see that it has become like a dough. Can you see it?
Yes. Look how the dirt is staying in the dough.
Do you remember all the dirty that was here?
Yes.
Now look where it is. Everything was left in the dough, and that is why the oil will be very clean. You know that in restaurants they do this, and this saves a lot of money. Smart people should save money these days. Take a good look at how the dirty came out of the oil and stuck to the cornstarch. Now it's very clean, you see?
Wow, perfect.
It was really better than new oil. Look what a color. The dirt is now all in the cornstarch.
And now we just have to get the cornstarch out of the pan?
Now, we take out the dough. The oil is practically new.
Became clearer. Perfect.
Something was left there, but it doesn't matter. It was like new and you were going to throw this in the trash. You were going to lose money.
I didn't know about that trick, and look how the oil turned out. It looks like new.
And now look how this turned out here. All the dirt, the grease, all that is now here in the cornstarch. Everything that didn't work in the oil is now here. The oil was like new, now you can use it many more times.
Amazing, I loved that advice.
And you don't need to buy more oil now. Look, save your money, do this trick, and your money will go much further. Look, the oil is like new. Using only 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, and doing this trick, you saved money, you will not waste the oil. It will not harm the environment. Look, all the dirt and what was not useful was left here, look.
With just 3 teaspoons of cornstarch, we managed to leave that oil as good as new.
Exactly, you will save money, and you will be able to use this oil many times.
And we save money.
And if you like this video, please tell this to your family and friends.
Thanks, perfect.
You just have to share the video. Also leave your comment if you like this advice, we want to know your opinion.